Hey, what's up YouTube? Third Era here, back at it again. Just wanted to do a quick video. Still trying to edit some of my other stuff for my current build, but had to do a little video for this. Man, I won this little polarity tester on the 5-star car stereo YouTube channel. They're doing like a giveaway for their live streams from Facebook and YouTube. All you have to do is like comment, and they pick a random person. And you know me, I'm always on there, so I just made a random comment about something. Wasn't expecting to win or anything, you know, and hey, they picked me. So I just got this in a couple days ago. I wanted to do a little unboxing and a little demo of it working. So without further ado, let's get into this. So here's the polarity checker. So it's already got a 9-volt in there, you see, and here's the disc. So to add a little more to this, I've always thought that this is our little daily driver, me and my wife. It's a little Nissan Cube. I've always thought that our system from the factory had the tweeter and the mid out of reverse polarity, but when I installed the component system in this, when I actually set it up, you know, I did it the old school way, and I popped them with 9 volts, and everything popped the same way. So I'm interested to see what this thing shows. So I believe we should be on track 3. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let me make sure I don't have any. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm not glaring you out. Let me turn off all these crossovers and stuff, and time alignment and all that. All right. So I'm interested to see if it actually shows the correct polarity for all of them. She said that she thinks she blew out the speaker on the back left, and I think she did, because I haven't heard anything out of it when I was in here earlier. So I'll have to see what she was doing. Maybe she had bass boost on or something, bumping some Shania Twain. But let's get into this. Let's see. What does this sound like? Okay. So I think you're just gonna, okay. Let's do this tweeter first. So we got red, 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 green. Oh, I don't like that. That means that one's going opposite already. We've got red, red, green, red. Well, according to Dean and Fernando, as long as they're all going the same way, you should be good, but I still have my own preference on wanting the woofer to move outward instead of inward. Let's see. Green, 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 red. All right, so this one is in a different polarity than the rest of them here. Let's see what this one's showing. Green, red, 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 green, red, red, red. All right, so far this left door is one that's out of with the rest of them. Hopefully I'm not throwing you all over the place here with the video. Red, green, 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 green. All right, so the back passenger, and yeah, I don't even hear anything coming out of that back one. But that back passenger, let's turn this off, and my front driver mid are in different polarity. So I will have to take the deck out here and see if switching them around, which I just wonder, how is that even possible? Because they are wired internally. The mid and the tweeter are together. So unless I connected inside the door, I have the positive and negative mixed on the driver door and the rear passenger door. So I'll have to pop those panels off then and reverse it. Hey, but that's just another project to get added to the mix here. Cool deal. I'm glad I got this thing. So yeah, thanks to Dean and Fernando over at 5-star. I appreciate it, man. As you can see, it just worked for me right here and gives me an idea of what I need to work on. In the same video, I'll go ahead and add a little teaser